So this should be a nice little job. This is a Mercedes E300 Coupe, and it's had a coolant leak at some point, and coolant has gone absolutely everywhere in the engine bay. What we're going to do is we're going to clean this engine bay, because the owner, who's a mate of mine, has said that when he's driving he's getting a smell of coolant coming through the cabin, which probably not surprising since it's probably been burnt off when the car is being driven. The engine's warm at the moment, and we're going to clean this engine bay. And the way we're going to do it is not by jet washing it. We're going to use a light mist of spray and an all-purpose cleaner and a brush. You may have seen other people jet wash engine bays, and yeah, you can do it provided you do it right. Now obviously we're going to take care to protect any modules that go down here, things we don't want really to get wet. So you see all that real sort of chalkiness there. It's absolutely everywhere. And there are going to be some places that we're just not going to be able to get to for obvious reasons, but we'll do what we can here and get this as clean as we can, and hopefully the smell of coolant coming through the cabin will no longer be a thing. So the way that I normally do the engine bays is that if I am going to use a jet wash, then what I do is I actually switch the jet wash off on the switch, so that while there's water running through it, and then it will mist water out. Today I'm just going to use a normal hose and just mist it with a hose, because when we do the jet wash, I'll show you the jet wash process when we do the 3 litre jag, but for today I'm just going to mist water on it, and then I'm going to use all-purpose cleaner and a brush, and we're just going to work it in nice and easy. What I'm going to do as well is I'm just put a little bag just over here just to protect these. Literally that's all the light misting it needs. I'm going to use the CSP detailing all-purpose cleaner. I used to be a CSP detailer ages ago, and it was CSP that taught me a lot of stuff about sort of around 2016, 2017. I've kind of gone to town a little bit on the APC. Now I'll work it in with a detailing brush. now it's looking a little bit cleaner, and then all those chalky deposits have been removed now with the all-purpose cleaner and the cloth and the detailing brush, so it is looking a lot better now. Now things are a lot tidier. We're going to use the engine bay dressing from Nanolex. Literally spray that on there, on all the plastics and the rubbers, and that all help protect them and coat them and give it a nice clean look and give it a nice clean finish. It's developed in Germany, this stuff. It's professional engine bay dressing, and that protects the engines, the plastics, the rubbers, and there's no excessive gloss there. As you can see, water-based, VOC free, treated parts regain their new appearance. It's good stuff. I'm just going to wipe it all down with a clean cloth. Clean engine just running. We test it afterwards, but I knew there'd be no issues. Well, it looks a lot better. There you go. Nice clean engine. And that's how you do an engine bay clean.